Hi, I have recently invested in a project and I want you to look at it as well. It is Elevate Condos, and let me tell you the reasons why I invested in this turnkey project. First of all, it's in Kitchener, Waterloo region. It's in Kitchener, so my favorite personal place to invest in properties is there because economy is so strong, diverse, hundreds of IT companies, 2 universities, Conestoga College next to Highway 401. Now let's talk about this location. It's just on Highway 8, 5 minutes to Highway 401. Great location. And talking about this project, it's going to be a kind of a building in Canada. There are going to be four buildings coming, and this one is a second building we are just launching now, and you are getting the platinum prizes in this project. And let's talk about the amenities in the building. That is the key reason why I invested in this project. There are 22 amenities in this project. You are getting multi-use sports court. You will be getting a kids play area, running tracks in the building, inside, outside, yoga rooms and exercise rooms, dedicated manager to look after all the amenities for you. There are tons of amenities. So that is why I booked this project, because if this project comes in market, so I keep the end goal in mind. If my unit comes in market for rental or for sale, it will always stand out. Every mother wants to have their condo in this kind of project where her kids can play in a safe environment. Every young couple want to be there so that they can enjoy the amenities and entertain their guests as well. So my unit will always lease at the higher price, as well as the unit will be sold at a higher profit as well. So that is the reason I invested in Elevate Condos. I want you to invest as well. Occupancy is scheduled in 2024. That gives you enough time to grow your investment. But act now, because right now I have guaranteed units and I am giving you platinum prizes along with tons of other incentives. Give me a call right now at 647-532-3000.